Welcome to Mind Flows. Today, we'll go over the marketing activities template. With this template, we can easily plan, strategize, and track all of our marketing campaigns and initiatives in one workspace with our team. So, let's get going. Let's start by adding this workflow to our board. Several marketing campaign apps can also be integrated with this type of template. Such apps include Google Calendar, Zoom, Google Drive, Slack, and more. It will then be simpler for us to collaborate with writers and designers and automate work to meet our deadlines. In the template center, an overview of a dashboard, work form, calendar, and other boards are available for us to take a glimpse of the workflow once installed. This is what our board looks like. All active marketing campaigns we manage on this board will come as items and be grouped accordingly. On the bottom part is where our past campaigns are, and new campaign ideas will populate automatically in this group as items after a shareable Monday work form has been submitted. Through this work form, we can easily collect information and ideas we need from our team members. Plus, we will be able to provide an easier way to communicate with them, gather insights, and improve collaboration. By sharing the link, all data that has been filled out will be right on our board. We can also customize our forms to look exactly how we want them when shared. Here is the calendar view. When our board has been filled up with items, we will see our marketing campaigns in this specific type of board view. Sometimes boards, when filled with tons of items, can be overwhelming, but thanks to the calendar view. With this, we can see everything that is coming up in one view without getting bogged down by what could sit tight a little longer. As we are changing the publication dates and status of our campaigns, here is what our calendar view will appear. We can also change the settings and customize the display by status, people, or anything according to our preferences. Back to our main table. It is very important that once a new campaign has been set up on our board, there is an owner responsible for overseeing the specific campaigns or activities. To assign multiple items to one person, we may do it by batch for us to be able to save time. For the automation, we can see that there is only one recipe that is available here. We can add more by clicking Add New Automation. Some pre-built automation recipes are found in the Automation Center. We can also create our own automation based on the trigger that we need for our workflow. Let's talk about integrations. Those apps that we are using for our marketing activities can actually be integrated with Monday.com. Now, we can already work on everything in just one single space. Follow us for more content about business digitalization. We're Mind Flows, a certified Monday.com partner.